Okay.
We are going to buy 10 pesos worth of chapulines, which is grasshoppers, and I ask for the spicy ones.
It's like a documentation.
Here we have 10 pesos worth of chapulines from Cholula. Cholula, it's a beautiful town where there is the church on top of a pyramid. The Aztecs built the pyramid, and then the Spaniards came and built a church on top of the pyramid. And we are also near the Topo, which is an active volcano. It's a beautiful town, 7,000 feet up in the air. And now we're going to have chapulines, which are grasshoppers. We're going to show you some of them, maybe a bunch because they gave me so many. And these chapulines are very spicy, and it's a lot of protein, and this is what's good about them. I hope that they also taste good, but they are good for you. And that's why we're going to have them, because we want to live many years. They are good to combat all kind of diseases. And we're going to try a chapulín now. It's very flavorful. It's lemony and it's very spicy, and also it lingers. The taste lingers a long time in your mouth. Even now I'm feeling different tastes. Maybe we can give some to the dog. No, I don't think the dog likes chapulines. So I like them, and we're going to try another one now. Another two. I am very happy with these chapulines. But I'm going to put them back in the bag and save them for dinner. Me encantan los chapulines.
Sabe muy rico, duraznos.
No, jefa, no. Está largo.